Welcome this video. Craftwood project create idea to transforming weather wood into art. Craftwood the sun branch, wormwood, fund alum, short line have among capital and image of artist craft and interior design. Its natural textile, various shape and original craft make its idea for rustic and craft decor. Whether your cost craftwood from the local branch or buy it online, you can turn those fund transing into stream home accounted and fun train art. We explored unique and create craftwood idea to inspire your next advertising. Craftwood wall art. One of the simplest way to display craftwood is the arrangement price into the about palette or design and moment theme or canvas play into your wall. You can from sunlight or layout agreemented of maximizes natural art price. Pop type use a hot gum connected and consider ad material advertising to print a few price for construction. Craftwood mirror. Create a stream mirror by attach craftwood. Arrange a rule to regulated mirror to integrate price. Make the sticky frame. Those bring natural into your space. Material. Mirror craftwood price piece stone backyard board stream advertising on print craftwood challenge and fixed light with a bit of warm knowledge how craftwood can become a art challenge on pin light. Use the convenient price of work as a basic and attach hand lights to bring for a boho light and it's with repose and chair soft type work with the challenge and use print warm kits soft installing craftwood rock mustache or long price for craftwood to tool board. Add warm hosted to create a stylish cost. This project comfort and functional professional for enters away. Hold into craftwood to sunlight fix team light challenge those look magic on turntable. The hold of branch theme everything. Craftwood functional. Long craftwood price can be used to make coffee table, side table, branch table, attach gum to a suffocation, become roll wood or sub surface. Tool. Wood screen, sandpaper, wood finish, term, plant scene and hair plants display. Craftwood print beautiful with the air plant type of gum, smart hold on top Craft wood or challenge plant without soft you can hand theme use term to create a standing display. Craft wood photo display. Warm arrange of long photo of craft wood in hormones of craft picture or sand use smart cottage it's create a changeable a way to showcase memories. Bathroom shelf. Bedroom shelf. In bedroom, craft wood add a stinging live vibrant. Use it's a soft bring or a moment roll hub. This would hold up well in areas and soft purpose. Craft wood mobile and window charm. Use finish line outer to simplification some craft wood shade and bring to create movement. Smoking line charm and theme need a window or term on your pouch. Gardening make. For rustic gardening charm even or print the name of hub as various into smart craft wood challenge and sticky theme in the gardening hall bed or print. Craft wood shed. Magic moment study. Craft wood plant into bring into the wall stood to create focus shared idea to display theme decoration wood and succulent. Price frame. Decoration and extend frame by gum craftwood area to add the add textile go displaying weather term that enhance bring vibrant photo and natural shot. Craftwood tray. Piece of craftwood from long and smart in various formats to maximize chain tray decoration. It's with line and original for an eco-friendly modern holiday and display. Table center price budget to gather smart craft wood price and focal its moment challenge and should to make an elegant central price from dining out season decoration.